Why is my auxiliary heat blowing cold air?
In this video, we'll be discussing why your auxiliary heat might be blowing cold air and how to potentially resolve the issue. Let's break this down into sections to better understand the causes and solutions.
What is auxiliary heat?
Auxiliary heat, also known as emergency heat or backup heat, is an additional heating source in heat pump systems. It activates when the primary heat pump cannot efficiently heat your home, typically during extremely cold temperatures or when the heat pump is in defrost mode.
Why is the auxiliary heat blowing cold air?
There could be several reasons for your auxiliary heat to blow cold air. Let's explore some of the most common causes. 1. Is the thermostat set correctly? The first thing to check is if your thermostat is set correctly. Ensure that the system is set to heat or emergency heat and not cool. Also, make sure the temperature setting is higher than the current room temperature. 2. Is the air filter dirty? A dirty air filter could cause your auxiliary heat to blow cold air. If the air filter is clogged, it can cause restricted airflow and overheat the heating elements, which in turn triggers the unit's safety switch and shuts off the heat. Make sure to regularly check and replace your air filters. 3. Are the heating elements malfunctioning? In electric furnaces or heat pump systems, auxiliary heat is provided by electric heating elements. If one or more of these elements is not functioning properly, it could result in cold air being blown. You'll need to have a professional technician inspect and repair or replace the malfunctioning elements. 4. Is the gas supply interrupted? In gas furnaces, the auxiliary heat is provided by burning natural gas or propane. If there is an interruption in the gas supply or a problem with the gas valve, it could lead to cold air being blown. Check if your gas supply is functioning properly, and if the issue persists, call a professional to diagnose and fix the problem. 5. Is the heat pump in defrost mode? Heat pumps occasionally go into defrost mode to prevent ice buildup on the outdoor unit. During this time, the auxiliary heat is responsible for maintaining the indoor temperature. However, if the defrost cycle is too long, it could result in cold air being blown. In this case, you should consult a professional to inspect the heat pump and ensure it's functioning correctly. If your auxiliary heat is blowing cold air, it's essential to identify the root cause and address the issue promptly. In many cases, it's best to consult a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and fix the problem to ensure your heating system operates efficiently and keeps your home comfortable.